Welcome to my channel. How to change HP printer Wi-Fi direct password. Using the printer's control panel. Step 1. Turn on the printer. Make sure your HP printer is powered on. Step 2. Access the control panel. Navigate to the printer's control panel, which is usually a touchscreen display. Step 3. Go to Wireless Settings. For many HP printers, you'll need to find and select the Wireless or Network menu. Look for an option related to Wi-Fi Direct or Wi-Fi Direct settings. Step 4. Open Wi-Fi Direct settings. You might find an option like Change Password or Wi-Fi Direct settings. Step 5. Change the password. Enter the new password when prompted. Confirm the new password if required. Step 6. Save and exit. Save the changes and exit the menu. Using the printer's embedded web server, EWS. Step 1. Find printer IP address. Print a network configuration page from your printer's control panel to find the IP address. Step 2. Open a web browser. Enter the printer's IP address into the web browser's address bar. Step 3. Log in. If prompted, log in using the admin credentials, often found in the printer's manual or under default credentials. Step 4. Navigate to Network Settings. Go to the Network or Wireless section. Step 5. Select Wi-Fi Direct settings. Look for Wi-Fi Direct or similar settings. Step 6. Change the password. Update the Wi-Fi Direct password as desired. Save the changes. Thank you for watching.